learn chef secrets. Sip with sommeliers and get cooking with class. The desert's premier cooking school serves up wine and food pairing dinners, cooking classes of all levels, from kids' cooking camps to professional culinary and baking courses. Let them host your next private event, in-home chef dinners, or private food and wine pairing with their sommelier. Make sure to stop by and see their new retail store called The Pear Tree, featuring fine wine and unique gifts. Cooking with Class is located at the corner of 48th and Washington in La Quinta. If you have an appetite for learning, come create a taste at Cooking with Class.